Hi everyone, this is Tara with Rihanna Stark. This is another pick a card reading. In today's reading, we will cover the topic messages and blessings from your angels. This is a timeless reading, so whenever you stumble upon it, have a look at it because the messages are just for you. We have two piles here. This is pile A, which is a star, and this is pile B, which is a shell. If you look closely, the patterns are there, so it's a shell in itself. Viewers, you can also pause the video and decide intuitively which pile you are being drawn to. Incidentally, we also have the timestamp given in the description box, so in case you want to proceed directly to your reading, you can do just that. Those of you who pick pile A, which is the star, certainly you are looking for guidance of some sorts, even divine guidance. I think you all know that the star is also a symbol of hope and truth. Perhaps you're also somebody who's looked upon as a guiding light or as a shining star. It's quite likely that you're the light in the darkness for some people around you. I'll keep this aside for now. The first card in this reading is the King of Pentacles. Surely, pile A, this is a time to devote your energies to learning or enhancing your skills. I think it's the Pentacle energy, so certainly you're being guided upon to invest or to make those plans about the future. Possibly some people will go all out to help you or to assist you. Even reunions are quite likely in this period when you stumble upon this reading. I think primarily it's a time to make money because it is the material vibration. Basically, you're being called upon to make hay while the sun shines. Perhaps you should apply for a job. Even while you go for the interview, maybe a senior person in the interview panel could be kindly disposed towards you. I think you should also talk about your past, perhaps problems that you have encountered in the past in a past job, that is, as this could sway things in your favor. Also, I think while dealing with clients or maybe you're dealing with somebody, I think you should read between the lines. I mean, you should concentrate on the paperwork because there could be somebody who could take you for a ride. Incidentally, there could also be somebody who could watch your back. That is why this person could prevent you from being deceived or duped. Possibly pile A, you're also somebody who's seen as a lucky charm. Maybe your name is going to be used or your goodwill that you have earned is going to benefit your family members. Perhaps you could put in a good word or push for their talents. Likewise, I think your loved ones will also promote you. Next card we have in this reading is 1111, Spiritual Awakening. You are on the right path. Certainly this card, King of Pentacles, and having 1111 corroborates that you are being divinely guided. You're moving forward, you're going to excel. Sometimes, you could also be ruminating about the past. Possibly you're going to get some spiritual insight as well in this period. I think pile A, you're also somebody who could be under pressure on account of work, or you could be hard pressed for time as well. I think progress could also be slow, so this is why you could be a bit exasperated. Perhaps you should ask the boss to extend deadlines. I think with respect to your dealings also, you should be very transparent because somebody could suspect that you're not being sincere. Nonetheless, I think dues will also come in for pile A. As we have this card, you're 1111, so there's synchronicity in your life. I think you're ascending and your angels are also close by and they are helping you onward in this journey. Surely you're going to be somebody who is going to make a positive impact on the world around you. Maybe you should pay attention to your thoughts as well because you're manifesting whatever you desire. We have fairies from the angel therapy cards. So certainly this means that your spirit guides or your angels are there guiding you onward. Even you are being called upon to spend more time outdoors. Maybe you should involve yourself in activity related to Mother Nature. Possibly you could help animals or you could care for them. Maybe you should also take an interest in the ecosystem balance. Clean air or a nature walk could also do you a world of good. From the Butterfly Oracle deck, we have decisions. At the time of this reading, pile A, maybe you are battling a decision, perhaps as a job opportunity, so you are deliberating on the same. Deep down, you definitely know what's ideal for you, yet there are certain times when we are apprehensive or there are those fears which could hold us back. You should follow your inner knowingness because you know what's best for you. It's best not to procrastinate, but sometimes, even taking time to ponder over a decision could also mean a step in the right direction. Perhaps you're also somebody who's deliberating between two options that are there. Maybe you should go for the third option. Archangel Raphael is asking you to give us your cares. Maybe you're stressed out with respect to a decision or on account of a situation, so this is impacting your health. Stress only exasperates the situation or the health conditions. Archangel Raphael is expecting you to go outdoors. We did have fairies in that card also. You were called upon to spend more time with nature. I think you should also relax or meditate and stop and smell the roses. Even yoga could benefit pile A. Archangel Michael says guarded and protected. Surely pile A, Archangel Michael is protecting you. Maybe you're feeling quite vulnerable or there's a major life change and you're wondering what you should do about it. Please keep in mind that Archangel Michael is watching over you round the clock. Even in a relationship, I think you should drop your guard, open your heart and give and receive love. Maybe you're being very closed off or there's intimacy which is lacking in your relationship. That is why Archangel Michael is asking you to be more open, as he is surely safeguarding your interests. Stepping into stillness is the next card. Sometimes you need to take a back seat. Sometimes you need to retreat from the situation that you're in. You are being called upon to be calm and be still, because it's important to focus on what you want from within. Maybe there's drama which is all around you. That is why you're looking for perspective, and this perspective can only come about when you look or delve deep within. I think Pale, you're also somebody who needs to get a grip on your temperament. Maybe your emotions are also playing havoc in your relationships. Perhaps you're also somebody who tends to presuppose things. Somebody could also dredge up the past for you in this time, so that is why it could affect you. Some of you could also be making those travel plans. Maybe you want to be on the move. With respect to your love life, I'm also picking up that maybe you will admit that you are in love. Perhaps this person whom you're dealing with finds you quite hot and seductive, or this person could also be a very wealthy figure, because we did have King of Pentacles in your reading. This person seems to be very grounded and secure. Like this person, perhaps this could also be an older figure in your life. Maybe there's an age difference between the two of you. Nonetheless, I think you will discuss work. Maybe you will also share every little detail. The two of you could also bounce ideas off each other. Perhaps he could also recommend some books, or maybe you will be sharing poems or romantic notes with this person. I think some of you are also reaching out to this person in case it's an unacknowledged relationship, because you feel claustrophobic in your home environment. That is why you're wanting to unburden your soul here. There are going to be those delays which you're dealing with, but then these delays will turn out to be fruitful for you in the end, because you will get what you desire. Some of you, in case you have feelings for someone and it's not acknowledged, then you could be yearning for that person. I think there could also be those times when you may be thinking about your ex as well. Maybe you want to reach out to him and help him. Ideally, I think Pile, you should not string anyone along. Nonetheless, I think those who are in a relationship, you will get the support that you require from your person. At times, you'll also be dealing with unnecessary change of plans, so you should be mindful of that. You should not also be too withdrawn or too lost in your own world, because some people could complain that you are being somewhat like a narcissist. Perhaps your focus is on self-care or your own needs. Interestingly, some of you may also be dealing with legal problems. Maybe you feel that justice is being delayed. However, you should keep in mind that justice delayed is not justice denied. Another thing, Pile, there could be property related repairs as well. The next card we have here is 111. You are a magical creator. Your thoughts are beginning to manifest. Certainly we had 1111 and we also have 111 in this reading. So Pile, this is a blessing for you. Your thoughts are going to take shape and they are going to manifest into whatever you desire. Ideally, I think you should harmonize your relationships, or there should be more balance in your life. And this can come about if you respect or you respond to other people's thoughts and feelings. Last but not the least, we have the Three of Clubs from Cartomancy, or the Three of Wands. Certainly, pile A, you want to set sail for greener pastures. You're quite creative and imaginative as a person. We did have King of Pentacles, so maybe prospects are looking up for you, but you should also realize that there's hard work ahead. Angelic guidance is also there for pile A, so you should listen very deeply and step into the stillness to understand what the angels or the universe want to convey to you at this point in time. I hope pile A, you liked your reading. This is Star with Rihanna Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. Those of you who picked pile B, which is the shell, as you know, is a symbol of independence, solitude and self-reliance. It is found by the seashore. So maybe you need to do some saltwater cleansing as well, because the sea water is briny or it is salty, and that is why you need to purify yourself. Maybe you could also blow a conch shell in your home to purify the environment. Nonetheless, good fortune and energy and luck is coming your way. Perhaps you're also somebody who wants to resurrect your life or your career, that is. I'll keep this aside for now. The first card in this reading is the World from the Tarot deck. Surely pile B, abundance is flowing through you. I think this is also the time when your plans will come to fruition. Maybe you will be feeling energized. You feel a sense of completion and contentment. You're also somebody who's going to use your contacts to good effect, so maybe you need to network a bit. In fact, you're also somebody who could assist your family members or your acquaintances. Pile B, you should also be a bit cautious. Maybe you should not risk it all. Maybe you are going to be a bit too hasty, or you want to proceed and make those gains. That is why you could come across as someone who is being greedy, and this could ruin your chances as well. You need to be mindful of that. Maybe you should also be on your guard, because there could be a junior who could threaten to sabotage or undermine your position. That is why you will have your colleagues who will rally around you and they'll support you as they tackle this person on your behalf. You should also keep in mind that this cycle is coming to an end, and another cycle is going to commence, and you are going to embark on that journey. The next card in this reading is Pen Creation. Certainly you're creating something which is very powerful, because the pen is mightier than the sword. So maybe you need to work towards your writing skills or your communication skills. Ideally, I think you should pen down your thoughts. Maybe you also have a book within you. Communication is the key here for pile B. We have you're on the right path. So certainly pile B, you should keep in mind that those periods of self-doubts are useless, because you're being guided by the angels, and the angels are confirming through this card that you're doing whatever you're doing is just right, and you should keep going in that direction. You're being told by your angels that you need to persist with your dreams and goals. Maybe you should also pay attention to the thoughts, or you should observe the thoughts, because this is guiding you forward. Another card we have here is from the Angel Therapy deck. Honor and respect your deep sensitivity, emotional sensitivity. Perhaps pile B, you're also somebody who's quite sensitive to whatever is going around you, perhaps to pick up those sensations. I think your gift of sensitivity is also helping you make those right choices. Basically, you need to trust those feelings and move onward. You should not berate yourself if you have disallowed your intuition in the past, or distrusted your intuition in the past. Also pile B, I think you're somebody who's quite peace-loving. That is why you don't like harsh noises around you, or the harsh energies could affect you. Maybe that is why you picked up the seashell. Perhaps, like I said, you need to do some aura cleansing as well. So you need to use sea salt in your surroundings. Maybe you could also cleanse yourself by using sea salt while bathing. This will definitely help you clear yourself of the toxic energies that are around you. Family changes also quite likely for pile B. Maybe there's an addition in your family, or maybe you're also letting go of somebody. So this is imperative, or this is important for your own soul's journey. You should not resist this, rather you should accept that nothing is permanent except change. It's the natural order of the world. Just like the butterfly emerges from the cocoon, similarly you could also be somebody who will have to deal with these changes or these developments. Maybe there are children who are growing up, so that is why you need to be more mindful of them. Change can seem to threaten the status quo, but then it all works out fine in the end, so you should not resist this change. Archangel Raphael is asking you to focus on exercise. Exercise is the key. Or maybe you need to stretch your limbs, exercise, or do some physical activity. Perhaps you should play some games. This will definitely rejuvenate you. It will energize you. Maybe it could strengthen your body as well. Spend more time outdoors. This is interesting because exercise and outdoors are connected in some form or the other. Archangel Michael is also asking you to go outdoor, connect with nature, and ease your mind. Maybe you should go camping, or you should gaze at the stars at night. Some of you could also keep some indoor plants or planters or other natural items in your home or office. I think you should also open your doors and windows and allow fresh air into your home. From playing cards, we have the card 8 of Spades. Certainly, this is a time when you will be socializing or you will have those reunions, but you should also guard against ill health. Maybe you should take care of your digestive system. Also, while walking, you need to be somebody who should tread carefully. Perhaps you could slip and fall. Work-wise, also the pressure can mount on you. That is why you may be stressed out. Maybe there's too much scrutiny as well. I did outline in this reading that maybe a junior is going to undermine your position, but then you will have colleagues who will rally around you or who will put that person in place. So these kind of stressful situations is something you should be mindful of. Pile B, you can also use trickery to get ahead. Maybe you are using guile and impersonation to make headway. You should also ask for payment in case you are expecting payment. With respect to your love life, Pile B, in case you are in an on again, off again relationship, I think it's the best time to reconnect with that person. We did have words, so you will feel a sense of completion in your relationship as well. Incidentally, unwanted attention is also quite likely for you. Maybe you should work on your body language as well to keep roadside Romeos at bay. We'll wrap up this reading with this last card from the Denise Linn Oracle deck. We have Mending Bridges here. Pile B, you're somebody who has the capacity to heal old wounds with respect to people and situations. So carefully do whatever is necessary to make those changes or to make amends. Maybe you're also somebody who can help others mend bridges in their lives. Basically, you're somebody who's got a reconciliatory approach. There could also be a person from your past who wants to reconnect with you, or you need to reconnect with this person, so you need to resolve the issues that are there. Ideally, I think Pile B, you should take action and move ahead because it's the perfect time for you. I hope Pile B, you liked your reading. This is Shah with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have other pick a card readings, so you can have a look at them as well. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.